Hello everyone. I'm going to show you all about Wevideo dashboard. So this one here is the upload. If you want to upload the any resources you have, any videos, so you go and drag it here, or you can browse and select where in your videos. For example, I want to put together the video of Vibras, for example, here. Open it, and now it's uploaded here. So it has to go through the process of being uploaded. And the next thing I want to show you is how to add a bit of text or titles. So at the moment we're going to add an end title to the adding resources to Wevideo. Okay, so here you go to the text, and I'm going to select this one, which is a companion to the stack. That's the lower third. So I'm going to put the ending titles, and I'm just going to go down and drag that down here, so I can start dragging and dropping it here. Okay, so ordinarily I would put it here, and to make it a bit longer, and just dragging it to extend it towards the end. Now, to be able to change it to what you want, you just double click on it. Okay, and then you change the wording. Thanks for watching. And the secondary will be please subscribe. And that's it. I can just say done editing. Now if I play that, it would look like this.